Hey everyone, my name is Alexandra Figueredo, branding and visibility strategist, and I work with coaches, consultants, and service based entrepreneurs to help you to stand out with your brand and attract those ideal clients. So, what are we talking about today? Oh my God, you guys, I've had so many conversations over the last couple of weeks, and a lot of times newer businesses, newer entrepreneurs fall into this overwhelm trap. And so you're getting excited about doing new things, and that's awesome, right? Like passion and excitement is amazing. But what ends up happening is many people, and I've been there myself, end up overdoing it. Like you're overworking, you're doing a lot of different things. You're starting a blog, a podcast, getting a new website, starting a new program, starting another course and another course and another course, and reading a bunch of books and doing all of these things to move your business forward. But what happens is that you're not really making a dent anywhere. And you may even be stuck, definitely feeling overwhelmed and not getting the results that you want, not getting the clients, not making the income that you want. And so, literally, you gotta stop. Stop. Weird ex. Stop. Stop in the name of your business. Okay. Stop because you're making a big mistake. And I'm just sharing, and I've done this myself. And many of the people that I was speaking to, the big mistake is that you're not focused. Focus, focus, right? You gotta focus on the things that are moving your business forward, not trying, especially at the beginning, to do all of the things, right? Like even people who are like maybe they're making a little bit of progress, but then they get another coach or starting another program. They start to, they have never gotten any clients and they want to make money writing a book, right? And so what ends up happening is again, you get overwhelmed and like you're in conflict because you're like, I'm doing all these things to grow my business and make money, but I'm not making any money. And then you start to doubt yourself, right? It's actually disempowering. You start to feel less confident in yourself. Definitely been there before, been there, done that. And so I want you to stop. Just stop. I want to give you permission to not do any of it, right? For sure, if you don't like it, if you don't enjoy doing it, absolutely, stop, do not pass go. But of the things that you are doing, assess what is actually giving you traction, what's actually moving your business forward. And I definitely want you to stop doing those things that feel heavy, that don't feel like you're moving forward, that are bringing you down, weighing you down, and focus on the things that are moving you forward, that are building momentum, right? And I'm going to just be frank here, okay? And I'm probably going to do another live on this soon. If you have like 6, 7, 10 different coaches, I mean, even if you've got a few coaches or consultants or strategists or experts or programs that you're in, I really want you to take a step back and assess all of these programs. Like you joined them maybe because you thought it was a new method that you were going to learn, or you really liked the teacher or the coach or the expert. But really take a step back and assess what you're getting, what you're learning, what value you're getting from each of these different programs that you're in. Same thing with the different things in your business that you're working on, right? Like I usually don't recommend that people start a podcast until they're making some money in their business, because a podcast, and I would say this from personal experience, is a time suck. It's a time zap. And it was very costly even for me. My time, money, energy doing a podcast. And I wasn't building, I really wasn't building momentum going forward. So take a step back and assess everything that you're working on and see, is this really moving me forward in my business? And I give you permission to put on hold, to table those things that you don't feel are really moving you forward. And I will say one thing, that doesn't mean give you permission to, if you're working on one or two things, doesn't give you permission to stop those. I'm talking about if you got a lot of things going on. So as an example, I started a new ad campaign about a week ago, and I'm doing great. It's doing awesome. And you know why? I know exactly why. It's so obvious because I'm only focused on that. And I actually have another coach that's helping me, but she's supporting me and helping me to release, to identify any things that are standing in my way. I do this also with my clients. So I have one coach who's helping me on the tactical strategy side for this, and I have another coach and healer who's helped me to release the things that aren't working. That's it. I'm not doing anything else. I don't have any other coaches at the moment, right? And I'm a big fan of coaching, strategists, experts. But my point is focus. Focusing is so so important. So again, take a step back, stop in the name of your business and stop the things that aren't working and focus on as few things as possible. Okay. And this is especially true if you're not making money in your business. I said this in my video last week. Decision maker, successful business owners are fast at making decisions. And so you can look around and see what's working, keep doing what's working, what's not working, either tweak, modify, or just stop, or at least the very least table it until such time that you can dedicate your focus. All right. So the big brand mistake that I see many new entrepreneurs doing that's losing you clients and sales is lack of focus. So if you can focus your attention on one or two projects that are really going to move the needle tremendously, then you are going to get success in the initiatives. If you're focusing your attention on several different things, then it's not a surprise if you don't see that you're getting the results. So that's my nugget for today. I want to hear from you. What was most valuable? What was your biggest takeaway? I want to hear your thoughts on this and what's been working for you and maybe what's not been working for you. And, type in the comments and I'm happy to reply and see how I can support you. So, if you do need some support in focusing your attention on building your brand, getting and attracting new clients, I have a complimentary brand breakthrough session for you. I'm going to put it into the comments as well. It's calendly.com/Alexandra Figueredo. I'd love to chat with you and see how I can support your vision, see what might be standing in the way, and really give you the momentum that you need to build your brand moving forward. All right, everyone. I appreciate if you enjoyed this video, that you give me a thumbs up, that you write a comment, help the algorithm, and of course, please subscribe and ring the bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. All right, everyone. Enjoy, and I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you.